You know what's crazy? I don't have money. I'm broke. But somehow, I understand money better than ever before. Because when you have nothing, you start to see what money really is. Not just papers, not just numbers, but power, freedom, and opportunity. And I realized something: the world doesn't teach you how to earn money, it teaches you how to spend it. I am an international student studying in US, and trust me, I am broke. See, most people think money is about luck. Oh, he's rich because he's lucky. Oh, she's rich because her parents helped her. But no, money follows understanding. Money does not go to the hardest worker, it goes to the smartest thinker. This system is designed to reward those who understand how actually money moves. You can work 10 hours a day, 7 days a week, and 30 days a month, and still you can be broke. Or you can make one smart decision in your life, learn that valuable skill, and you can be rich forever. After I came to US, I understood that money is just like a game. It's just most people forget to read the rules. They keep playing, losing, and blaming the game. But actually, they never read the rules. See, as an international student in US, I learned the value of money. Back home, I used to think money is something that is only handled by adults. But when you live alone in foreign country, you understand every single dollar hurts. You start calculating food, rent, transportation, and everything. And as you already know, for international student in US, you cannot work, you cannot earn money, you cannot earn a lot of money, you cannot make money, and then you start to realize that money isn't just currency, it's energy and time. Every single dollar represents an hour that someone traded for his life. And that made me ask a question to myself, that do I have to trade my life for money? Do I have to trade my life and count it as hours to create money? Or I can make money to work for me, or I can understand money so that I can be rich long term. So these are some hidden rules that I found about money that might be helpful to you, because I understand everyone should understand money. How does it work, how to save, and how to invest. First, money doesn't come to those who need it. Understand this first. Money doesn't come to those who need it. It comes to those who understand it. See, this world doesn't pay your pain, it pays your value. So if you want to earn more, you have to be more valuable. Understand this. You cannot be lucky. You have to be valuable in any way if you want to earn more. This world pays for solutions, not for emotions. So try to learn high valuable skills like marketing, investing, content creation, digital media, leadership, and so on. Second thing, money is never a destination. It was never a destination, not for me, not for you too. Money is just a tool. So if you chase money, it runs away. But if you chase skills, it comes to you. Think about rich. They don't work for money. They use money to buy time, opportunity, and freedom. See, another important thing that I learned after coming to US was the system is built to make you comfortable, not rich. They want you to work, earn, spend, and repeat the same thing in a loop. But wealth comes from ownership, not from employment. Owning stocks or real estate, building real businesses, that's what makes wealth, not working for other people. Yeah, working for other people makes wealth, but for them, not for you. And the most important thing that everybody has to understand but no one understands is saving is not the way to build wealth. The only way to build the wealth is to invest. You have to invest. Either it can be in stocks, business, or yourself, any skills, knowledge, education, or anything else, but you have to invest. You can't just save money and build wealth and get rich. So here's the question. How do you start? Even when you are broke, you have no money. How do you actually start? And how do you start building wealth? How do you start learning money? How do you do this? Well, I'm trying. I'm learning by watching videos, reading books, reading finance, trying to watch podcasts, trying to copy the rich people's, trying to learn from them. Another thing I'm doing is building habits, tracking every dollar I spent, trying to avoid debts, saving a little by little every week so that I can invest. And the third important thing that I'm doing is I'm learning to invest. For me personally, I'm learning to invest in stocks, not in some random coins or hype stocks, but in knowledge first. I'm also learning about real estate business. How does this work? How people are earning money from real estate? Because see, here's a simple thing. If you can't manage $100, you can't manage $10,000. And if you can't multiply $10, you can't multiply $1,000. So the only thing is to create habit, learn, and invest. It starts with the mindset, thinking long term, delaying pressure, and focusing on the growth. See, don't get confused here. I don't want you to understand the invest term as investing in stock market or investing in crypto market in your head. I want you to understand this way. Investment means invest in yourself, invest in your knowledge, invest in your future self, invest in the things that you are doing right now. Look what will lead to you in the future. Try to understand where will the things that you are doing now will take you in the future. As I already told you, I'm not rich yet, but I know I will be. If I will not be, at least I know I have tried to become rich. I understand money, I respect money, and I try to earn money. And also I know wealth isn't just a number. Wealth can be measured by a number. It's a mindset, it's a system, it's a skill, it's a process. I know that. So if you are broke, don't be ashamed. You are not behind. You are just learning the truth early. I don't care whatever age you are. I don't care whatever age I am. I believe money should be understood by every single people as they are growing. So I think you should also start learning about money. I think you should start knowing the different type of things that you can do to earn money. I think you should start understanding from today what things actually build money. Not everybody can get money just like that. Everybody has to earn it. So just learn how can you earn $1, learn how can you earn $10, learn how can you multiply 10 to 100, learn how can you earn $1,000, 1,000 to 10,000, and start building wealth from there. And one day you'll look back and realize being broke was the best thing that ever happened to you in your life, because it forced you to learn that no one else would dare to teach you. That was all from me. I'm Andrik Basnet, an international student in US, just trying to learn, earn, and grow. And if you are interested in investing videos, I will link my videos down here. You can check it out. It's a complete video for beginners to start investing. So if you want to learn, earn, and grow together with me, please subscribe to my channel. I am Andrik, signing off. Bye bye.